12 money rules you must know before it is too late. To make money, you first need to know the rules of money. A huge number of people struggle just because they don't know the actual rules of money. Well, you don't need to worry as you clicked on this video. In this video, we will cover all the important money rules which you must know. So let's just start now. As a sickness, stay away from debts of credit cards. Never carrying a balance on a credit card is the first rule of personal finance. Paying these charges is a simple method to reduce your net worth because credit card borrowing costs are so outrageously high. You're hardly ready for investing your money in the markets if you have long-term credit card debt. Savings and income do not equate. Making a lot of money is one thing, being wealthy is another. And the gap between the two is considerable since your net worth is more significant than your income. Although having a high salary might make you wealthy, the opposite is also true. A low income can make you poor. What counts isn't the amount that you spend, but the amount of your money you put aside. If you wish to watch more videos related to personal finance, then do subscribe our channel to get regular updates. Let's continue. Don't live within your means. Live inside your means. Going from paycheck to paycheck without ever actually accumulating money is the result of living within, or beyond your means. Living within your means and saving a part of your earnings for the future are your only options if you would like to succeed. Boost your income. Saving money and/or making sacrifices are excellent ways to increase your income, but if you aren't also working to advance your profession, your plan will fall short. That there is nothing they can do to obtain a better job, take on even more responsibilities, or be paid more is a view that is held by far too many individuals. It is ridiculous. Over time, you'll need to gain more self-confidence, develop your abilities, and bargain for a bigger salary. Look for where you waste money each month to get a deeper understanding of your priorities. If you ever want to take charge of your finances, you must understand your spending patterns. Spend money on things that are significant to you while making cuts elsewhere is the idea. And if you take care of yourself first, you won't need to worry about budgeting. Simply spend the money that's left over on the things that are most important to you. Automate everything. Automating as much of your financial life as possible is the greatest approach to increase your savings, evade late penalties, and simplify your life. The idea is to make the important choices early so that you don't have to spend a lot of time and effort managing your finances. Make the proper decisions while making large purchases. I know I shouldn't be so critical, but the first thing that comes to mind when I see massive McMansions or $50,000 to $70,000 vehicles on the road is, I wonder how much they have saved for retirement. Personal finance specialists like arguing the finer points of lattes, but the biggest purchases, housing and transportation, will be the ones that matter most in terms of keeping your finances in line. These two purchases represent fixed expenditures and have more ancillary costs than most people are predicting, thus overextending oneself can be fatal. Increase the amount of liquid savings you have. There will be irregular but predictable costs that you'll need to cover from time to time, and your monthly budget should account for these. It's impossible to predict when things like weddings, vacations, vehicle repairs, and health emergencies will happen, but you can plan for them by saving away a modest sum of money each month. This will help you be more prepared for when life inevitably gets in the way. The importance of saving outweighs that of investing. Though it seems like common sense, very few individuals really followed this advice. The finest investment you can make is to save a lot of money since it provides you a big margin of safety in life. The level of interest rates, stock market performance, or the occurrence of recessions and bear markets are all beyond of your control, but you do have some influence over how much money you save each month. Invest in your reinsurance requirements. Jonathan Novi, a friend and colleague, frequently points out to me that individuals get insurance in the event that their business or family might suffer financially as a result of their passing or incapacity. To quantify that impact in monetary terms and, if at all feasible, insurance against it, is the aim. Set the match every time. I can't tell you how many times I've spoken with individuals who aren't contributing enough to their 401k plan to qualify for the company match. That would be the same of refusing a chunk of your money each pay period. To ensure that you don't lose out on free money, you should always save at least enough to purchase the match. Save a little bit more each year. The secret to saving additional money over time is to boost your savings rates each time you earn a raise, so you won't even realize you have more money to begin with. And the sooner you start saving money, the less likely it is that you'll discover later that it was never deposited into your bank account to be spent in the initial place. That's all for today. If you got to know anything new from this video, then do subscribe our channel for more videos related to finance. Also press the like button and share it with your friends. If you are having any query or suggestion, then feel free to comment it below.